The last logic is jump menu. Is menu jump. If you insert it in a scene, you can connect and you can add another word of your game when a character reaches that area. If you go into the menu editor and the map editor, as you can see, a hole will be appear in a word. Here you can right click. I will be explain them in detail in settings and the connection between them. But it's very simple. Start, go to the main menu and the word. And here, if the character reach that menu jump, it can goes to the another word. If you right click, you can add new UI, a new page. As you can see, you can add your design and go to this page. And if you right click, add a new word. As you can see, we have a word. This is our word. This is our word number 1. And you can add new word with new enemies, new background, new graphic, new rules, and your character go to that, for example, secret word that has a lot of gifts, purchase, and you can gain it. So, but unfortunately, if you click and add new word, this happen. If you use a free version of the buildbox 2, this is the first and big limitation of that. You have to upgrade to the Pro 2. You can add any other word that you want, but unfortunately we cannot. Okay, that's it. If you want, you can add new word here and exactly go and design your word. It's very easy. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.